Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to show your Google My Business listing temporarily closed. Might be you are going on holiday or vacations, or right now you don't have the on season in your business, like the off season is going on. So in that case, might be your business is under construction, whatever. So in that case, you want your business listing to appear temporarily closed so that nobody inquires for product or services at your business and you don't feel offended, right? In that case, just simply search for your business name or my business keyword on Google using the same Gmail account from which you have created your Google My Business listing. And here you can click on edit profile, scrolling down, opening hours, you can click on again pen, and you can mark it as temporarily closed so that your business will open again in the future, right? And you can simply click on save and your business would be marked as temporarily closed on Google. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.